Welcome to the art and science of perfumery. I'm Isabelle, a master perfumer or nose, and I've spent 30 years creating fragrances.
Perfume is invisible art, emotions captured in liquid form. Every bottle contains thousands of hours.
Rose, the queen of flowers.
It is beautiful out here today, isn't it?
Yes, but these baskets get heavier every year. Jasmine grandiflorum reveals its soul at night. We harvest under moonlight when the flowers release. Perfect. Yes, truly precious.
Sandalwood from India, sandalwood from India, vetiver from Haiti, ylang ylang from Madagascar. Perfumery spans the globe.
Modern perfumery embraces ethical innovation. Synthetic musk, ribs, and civet.
On the left, natural ambergris, extremely rare. Beside it, synthetic ambroxan. Both offer similar warm oceanic.
Look at the chromatogram. The purity is higher than expected.
And the mass spec confirms the molecular weight.
Raw materials arrive from 50 countries, each carefully inspected, authenticated, and stored under precise.
The organoleptic evaluation and chromatography results confirm purity. Approved for production.
We now hold nature's treasures in our hands, but raw materials are just the beginning, and the magic happens when we transfer.
Steam distillation lamp, the ancient art dating back to Arabian alchemists. Steam.
Solvent extraction captures the complete fragrance profile, including heavier molecules steam cannot carry.
Supercritical CO2 extraction represents perfumery's cutting edge. Carbon dioxide under pressure extracts with
The result is an extremely pure, true-to-nature fragrance. The CO2 extract has a much fuller and more complete aroma profile.
Enfleurage, the most labor-intensive extraction. Fresh flowers placed on fat absorb aromatic compounds over days.
citrus oils are they are pressed from the rind without heat. Bergamot, lemon, orange cup.
Every extraction is analyzed. Gas chromatography reveals the molecular fingerprint. Adulteration, contamination, or quality variation is detected instantly.
We've captured nature's essence in its purest form. Now comes the artistry, blended.
The perfumer's organ, our instrument of creation. Rose de Mai, jasmine sambac, sandalwood mysore, oud laos, ambrette, iris pallida. Every fragrance tells a story in 3 acts. Top notes make the first impression. Heart notes provide.
We begin with the bright citrus opening, then it evolves into a beautiful floral heart, finally settling into this warm, rich, woody base.
Understanding fragrance classification helps guide creative decisions.
Creation begins with a vision, sometimes a client brief, sometimes personal inspiration. The challenge is translating. Accords are the building blocks, combinations where ingredients merge into something greater than their parts.
First the rose alone, then the jasmine. But together they create something entirely new, something truly exquisite.
We begin with the woody and musk accords, adding the floral heart, and finally the bright citrus top.
Consumer testing validates creative vision. We observe emotional responses, gather associations, and understand how
the final composition is approved. The aroma profile is exact.
Excellent work. This is officially ready for production.
Fantastic news. Well done.
Becoming a perfumer requires years of dedicated study, memorizing 3,000 ingredients.
What did you find in the Jasmine Absolute?
It's heady, almost narcotic, with a subtle green undertone.
Precisely. Now compare that to the tuberose right there.
A perfume is never truly finished. It evolves on skin, changes with weather, becomes personal to
some of it. The compounding room transforms creative vision into production reality. Here,
Some ingredients cost $50,000 per kilogram. Precision isn't just quality, it's economics.
Verifying 5.2 grams against lot 3R.
Confirmed. Double check complete. Proceed.
Order of addition follows precise protocol. Base notes dissolve slowly and need time. Top notes are volatile and added last. Proper sequence ensures complete integration.
Maceration is perfumery's patience, fresh compounds resting for weaves as molecules bond and harmonize. Like fine wine, perfume improves with careful aging.
Minimum 3 to 4 weeks for standard fragrances, months for luxury.
Maturation complete. Time has softened the edges, integrated the components, created harmony.
Chilling. Chilling precipitates unwanted compounds, plant waxes, fatty residues, anything that might cloud the final product.
Natural fruits. Multi-stage filtration removes every particle, from visible precipitates to microscopic haze. Here we have the before and after. Notice how the light scatters in the cloudy sample, while the filtered product is perfectly transparent.
Color contributes to consumer perception. Golden ambers suggest warmth, pale hues signal freshness.
UV stabilizers added, protecting fragrance from light degradation.
Quality assurance ensures every bottle master standard. Our laboratory combines
Fragrance. Reference standard library. Glass bottles containing approved master batches of each fragrance. These golden standards used for comparison.
GCMS is perfumery's fingerprint reader, separating and identifying every molecule. We compare
The trained human nose detects subtleties instruments miss. Our evaluation panel identifies character differences in
Dry down development is progressing as expected. Longevity performance is high, with good skin interaction.
quality release, batch approved for filling, certificate of analysis generated, product cleared for bottling, quality gateway passed.
The bottle is Perfume's physical identity. Its shape, weight, and material speak before a single note.
Our filling lines handle bottles like precious objects. Vacuum filling prevents oxidation, precise dosing and
Every bottle is individually inspected. Fill level, spray function, cosmetic perfection. Luxury demands 0 defects reaching consumers.
packaging creates anticipation and ritual. Velvet-lined boxes, silk ribbons, embossed detail.
From our facility, fragrances travel to 150 countries, department stores, specialty boutiques, duty-free locations.
The retail experience completes the journey piece. Trained consultants guide discovery, helping consumers.
Fragrance becomes part of identity. Morning ritual, confidence boost.
What an extraordinary journey we've shared, Thael. From flower fields to filled bottles, from ancient craft to modern art. I'm honored to practice this ancient art and grateful you joined us behind the scenes. Every time you wear fragrance,